Alright, my name is Dylan Leggett, and this is my bike. It's a Fit Eddy 3, 2011. Has Animal Edwin grips. Cut the flanges off. We the People brake lever. Odyssey slick linear cable. Fit Blade 2 fork. And Revenge Industries rims and wheel set. The Trick Tops caps. Fit FAF tan wool tires on the front and the back. I have Fit Eddy 3 bars, 29 wide, 8-inch high. Fit stem, McNeil cable tie, stock cranks with E-clat pedals, Fit sprocket with a, pretty sure it's a KMC chain, another Revenge Industries wheel set. Here's the hub sound. Pretty good. Kink seat post, Colony seat, and that's pretty much my bike. The tires are a little slippery, so I would not recommend them if you're riding a concrete park. But everything else, it's a really smooth bike. It's about 23 pounds now with the little upgrades. And it's my bike.
Nice.